In a fast-paced world, you've got to stand out. My name is Nelson Vails, Olympic champion, first African American on the U.S. cycling team. I spent my entire life on a bike. For work, for play, the road is my home. And on the streets, it's essential that you be safe. It's about communication. It's about being seen. That's why I wear Zackees Turn Signal Gloves. Drivers nowadays are distracted by so many things, by their smartphones. The streets are a dangerous place. With Zackees, not only do drivers know I'm coming, I can indicate to save my life. By day, by night, keep yourself in sight. Be seen. Zackees Turn Signal Gloves.